Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Amar, matric number 05 DID 22F2004. I will present about steering vehicle. First, what is steering vehicle? Steering vehicle is the system that enables a driver to control the direction of a vehicle, allowing it to follow desired path. This system plays a crucial role in vehicle handling, stability, and safety. Steering systems are typically designed to turn the front wheel of the vehicle in response to the driver input, although in some advantage vehicle rear wheel or all-wheel steering systems are used for additional maneuverability. Next is why steering system is important. First, directional control. Steering allows the driver to change the vehicle direction smoothly and precisely, following the desired path. Next, safety. Good steering control helps driver avoid obstacles and maintain stability on curve, reducing the risk of accident. Next is main component of steering vehicle. First component is steering wheel. Steering wheel function as driver input device, and then rack and pinion. Rack and pinion convert the rotational movement of the steering wheel into linear motion to turn the wheel. Third is steering column. Steering column connect the steering wheel to the gearbox. Next, steering link edge. Steering link edge function for transmit motion to the wheel. Last is steering knuckle. Steering knuckle allow wheel to pivot and turn. Next is type of vehicle steering. First type is rack and pinion steering. This is the most common type in modern car, especially smaller vehicle. It uses a pinion gear attached to the steering shaft and a rack to convert rotational motion of the steering wheel to linear motion, moving the wheel left or right. Next is hydraulic power steering. Uh, this hydraulic power steering uses hydraulic pressure, typically generated by a pump driven by the engine, to assist with steering, making it easier to turn the wheel, especially at low speed. This can be applied in both rack and pinion and recirculating ball system. Last is electric power steering. Electric power steering use an electric motor to assist with steering, reducing the need for hydraulic component. EPS motion more efficient and provide variable assistance, adjusting based on speed or driving condition. Last is important of steering in safety and comfort. The steering system is essential for vehicle stability, especially at high speed and during turn. It can enhance the driver control over the vehicle, directly affecting safety and driving comfort.
So next, I will present about the brake. What is history of the brake? Brakes, the hidden heroes of transportation, have an interesting history that goes back to the earliest human inventions. From basic methods to modern advancement, the development of braking technology has been essential in improving how we move around. In ancient origins, primitive braking mechanisms have three. First, drag brakes. Early braking systems rely on simple drag mechanisms using materials like wood or leather to slow down vehicles. Next, animal power. Animals such as oxen or horses were often used to provide braking force by applying pressure to the vehicle. Third, slowing down on different terrain. Steep hills and uneven landscapes also affected the speed of early transportation method. The wheel and early brake technology was wooden brakes as the wheel evolved, so the primitive braking systems with wooden blocks or pads applied to the wheel surface. Second, shoe brakes. Shoe-like brake pads made of material like leather or metal were developed to provide more control and consistent braking. The third is drum brakes. The entry of drum brakes, which feature a brake shoe expandable outward against an inner drum path, is an important milestone for automotive braking technology. The advancement in brake design in 18th to 19th centuries. One is to improve materials. Brake linings made of more durable materials such as asbestos provided better friction and wear resistance. Mechanical linkage. Levers, pulleys, and other mechanical systems were employed to transmit the braking force more effectively. Handbrakes and parking brakes. The development of handbrakes and parking brakes allow for improved control and safety in stationary vehicles. The advance of the automobile and brake evolutions. First, bicycle brakes. Early automobile brakes were inspired by the simple but effective braking systems used on bicycles. Second, expanding shoes. Automobiles adopted expanding shoe brakes, which provide more consistent and reliable braking power. Third, hydraulic assistance. The introduction of hydraulic brake systems significantly improved braking performance and made it easier for drivers to apply the brakes. Disc brakes and hydraulic systems revolutionizing braking. First, disc brake. The shift from drum brakes to disc brakes provides superior braking power, heat dissipation, and responsiveness. Second, hydraulic assistance. Hydraulic brake system replace mechanical linkage, making braking more efficient and consistent across all wheels. The third, improved safety. This advancement in braking technology significantly enhanced vehicle safety, reducing stopping distance and improving control. Last, the modern brake systems, ABS, regenerative braking and beyond. The first ABS anti-block braking systems prevent wheel lockup, improving stability and control during emergency braking. Second, regenerative braking. The system captures energy during braking and store it for later use, improving efficiency. Electronic stability control. This technology monitors vehicle dynamics and apply individual wheel braking to enhance stability and prevent slip.
Namanya masa pengambil kepemimpinan bangsa karya, I will present about vehicle clutch. Clutch have been vital in vehicle for over centuries, connecting the engine transmission, initially manually operated by a foot pedal. Advancement led to hydraulic and automatic clutch, enhancing driving smoothness and efficiency. Today, clutch remain essential for smooth gear change and optimal performance. Vehicle clutch inventor. Clutch invented by Waldo J. Kelly in 1949, used for transmitting torque between two shafts. There are four main types of vehicle clutch, which is wet clutch, dry clutch, centrifugal clutch, and cone clutch. First is wet clutch. The friction material sits in an oil bath or has flow-through oil, which cool and lubricate the clutch. This can provide smoother engagement and a longer lifespan of the clutch. However, wet clutch can have a lower efficiency due to some energy being transferred to the oil. The second type is the dry clutch. A dry clutch uses dry friction to transfer power from the input shaft to the output shaft. For example, a friction disc presses against the car engine flywheel. By a spring mechanism, the wheel of the vehicle only rotates when the flywheel is in contact with the friction disc. To stop the transfer of power, the friction disc is moved away from the flywheel. The third type is centrifugal clutch. A centrifugal clutch automatically engages as the speed of the input shaft increases and disengages as the input shaft speed decreases. Normally used in small vehicles such as motorcycle. Fourth type is cone clutch. A cone clutch is similar to dry friction flat clutch, except the friction material is applied to the outside of the conical shape object. This conical shape allows wedging action to occur during engagement. A common application of cone clutch is the synchronizer ring in a manual transmission. How the clutch works. Engage. Clutch pedal release. When the clutch is engaged, the pressure plate presses the clutch disc against the flywheel. This connection allows the engine rotational force to be transferred to the transmission, moving the vehicle. Disengage. Clutch pedal press. Pressing the clutch pedal disengage the clutch, meaning the throughout bearing push against the pressure plate, which in turn the clutch disc away from the flywheel. This disconnects the engine from the transmission, allowing the driver to shift gear or come to a stop without stalling the engine. In conclusion, the clutch allows you to control when the engine is connected to the transmission, enabling smooth gear shift and preventing stalling. Proper operation requires practice, particularly in coordinating the clutch pedal with the throttle to avoid jerky movement or stalling. That's all from us. Thank you very much.